Have you ever exported your video on CapCut using your laptop? Then you can't find it anywhere, you check your downloads, your laptop files, and nothing. Don't worry, your video didn't disappear. I will show you exactly where your videos are and how to locate them. In case the first method didn't work, try the second method. But first, we need to make sure you know how to export a video. Let's dive into it.
Click on that create project, open it, then import your files. So let's use these images as a sample. Okay, open it, then click the plus button to add them. So assuming we have finished editing it, go up there, yes, up there, and click export. Then you select your resolution. It's best to select 4K or 2K, but for the sake of this video, just go with 180. Choose your file name, then export your video. That is basically how to export.
So now that you know how to export your CapCut videos, let's get into the video of the day.
2 ways to find your CapCut videos using your laptop or desktop. First, open your desktop, go to your search button on your desktop, type run, and the first one you see, select a run that you see. A command box will drop. Click OK. Then from app data, select local. From local, you will see CapCut. Select CapCut and then open your videos. This is where all your CapCut videos are saved. The second method is open that video that you exported. As if we wanted to export it again, click export, then go to export to, select that file, and then you will see where the video is saved. So the video is basically saved on our videos, and then we go back to our video to make sure that the video is saved there. Okay, so baking videos, that is where it is saved. So we'll go back and check if the video, instead of exporting, you click export to know where the video is originally saved. So let's open our video to check if it's there, and we open this one. Yeah, the video is there, David and Goliath video. So this is the video we are looking for. We found it in the videos. So actually I used the first method, but the first method didn't give me the result. But with the second method, I was able to locate this video. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope I was able to help.
Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which method worked best for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more helpful videos like this.